Guys, today we're going to be doing an auto upholstery repair for a Toyota Tacoma 2016, 17, 18 and up. They're all the same years. We're going to be fixing the headliner and the seats. Blowing airbags. Stay tuned. We're first going to be taking out the seats. Take the 4 bolts. Now when you take the bolts off, to take the wires off the seats to pull it out, you take clip removal and you twist the thing, it comes off. It's one, press down, down. That's the one. There's just 2 wires. One, you want to press it in. You need a clip, like a hook clip, and twist that up so it can come off. And it just comes off. The driver's seat is off. Now we're gonna move on to passenger seat. Same thing, just 4 bolts off and pull the wires off. Really simple. Seat, remove the 4 bolts. Passenger seat, gotta remove 1, 2, and remove that with the clip remover. And it should be off. It should come off. And this one, you gotta use the hook to put the hook there and pick this yellow tab up and it should come off. You see, it doesn't come off, it stops. Just pull this white tab down, like that, and just pull it gently out and it come off. And the wire is free and you can take the seat out. Time to take the headliner off to get to the airbags and put the new ones. That's the driver, passenger, they blew up from the accident. First, you want to take off the sun visor and this middle light thing. Thing in the middle, you want to pull it down because it has 4 red clips. You just pull it gently, and then you pull this. Do it with one hand. Pull this wire out. It should come off. These tabs open. Twist. It should come off. There you go. Like a mirror, you just pull it down and it should come off. Get on this side, that's what you do here too. Same scenario, same thing. I'll screw those 2 fill bolts and it should come off. After this, like a pillar of plastic handle. You can't take this off because there's bolts here, so you pull it up here. And there's 10mm bolts. You take those 2 off and it comes off. There you go. Put it somewhere gently and safe so it won't break or fall. There you go, it comes off. Simple as that. You have access to wires, airbag wires. The headliner tabs. You gotta get a hook like this, put it there, and it should come off. It should come off. Like that. And you just put it like this and put it down. And you just take the metal thing out. Save it and put it back in the plastic. Same thing goes for that side. Do this plastic stuff, you put the metal back in from the front. Take this tab. It'll be easier when you put it in, you know. You won't need to put this first and then the plastic. Like that, it's already in, snug. And just, you will hit it there with pressure, you know, clip in there. The back for your hooks has a plastic cover. You take it off, and then you just bring these up right here, and bring that one down. It should come off. Then you take this metal piece out. There you go. You want to take this plastic off, and these tabs are one, put them together, and the second one on top there. Put them together and the roof just drops. Pull the headliner out, you need to remove the console. So remove the top, it just clips. Tabs, the red tabs. Pull this up. Remove this first. And then there's 2 10mm bolts there. 1, 2. And then this comes off. Make sure you take this off first, don't break it because that's for the power for USB. And then you remove 2 screws here, 1, 2. And this thing should come off. off. To get to this top plastic, you need to remove this bolt, 14 millimeter. Fold this back. Careful, don't break the tabs. And remove that one clip, and there's a bolt there, 10 millimeter too. And this should come off. Airbags are installed. The current airbags. It is 10 millimeter bolts, and you gotta make sure to take the wire off the CO2. And when you put the new airbag in, just put it in. This is a little clip fuse. You want to put it back. Make sure that yellow tab doesn't break. You take something sharp and pull that tab up, take it off, and when you put a new one in, put the black thing and the connector and close the yellow cap. It should be flush like that. And make sure everything is tightened. Ready to put the headliner in. Airbags are in, roof is done. Make sure you connect the wire and put the 4 clips in. And then put these 4 tabs right there. 1, 2, and 3, 4 right here. It just goes like this. Put it in and clip, and you hear the clip. Should be good. What you want to do is swing a little bit, hit it, and they're good. Make sure that these are inside. There you go. Handles are put now. Make sure they work too. So handles is, so we just put the handle, make sure these are inside, and they should work smoothly. There's just 2 handles in Tacoma. 1, 2. You just press it in. You should hear clicks from the clip. Plastic. They're brand new. Plastic. Make sure you use this bolt. The plastic first, the bottom, and then the seat bolt goes over the plastic in the hole where the bolt goes. And make sure everything is tucked in nice. Make sure the red clips get in the holes, and you just click it in like that. You should hear perfect, and it should be nice and snug. Bolt inside. Now tighten it. The cover. The foam, we'll be fixing it. It's been teared up on impact. The foam is now fixed. Now it's ready for install. Foam, because you can see it's pretty ripped up. We'll fix it. Will look like new. The driver's seat now. The foam was fixed. Let me put this foam here. It's like a patch, so won't be the hole is not gonna be there no more. It's nice and smooth. The airbag goes there like factory. You're replacing this knee airbag, and you need an 8 millimeter bolt. And there's 2 bolts right there, right there. The knee airbag. You have to take this plastic off. It just clips off, and there's screws you take off right there. Make sure you don't undrill that, and it might rip, so you gotta be careful. You gotta hold that. There's 1 screw there and 1 there, so 4 total. You take them off and it should come off. And when it's time to put a seat in, new airbag has new cap over it. You just pull it off, put this thing there straight, and then you connect the 2 wires. Make sure you hear that click, and then right there, pull it up, double check everything, nice and snug, and then tighten the bolts. The cap. Now we're gonna put the sun visor bolts. Flip it over, and there's 1 more there. Yeah, for the side plastic, you want to put it down, seatbelt over this, and make sure it goes up and down. And make sure it goes up and down. And you put the clip right there and bolt in here. with a 10mm. The airbag's installed. Pad under's fixed. Here's the passenger side. Phone was fixed. Looks like new again. The car is complete. This video of the upholstery repair on this Toyota Tacoma. Let me know what you guys want to see more. And subscribe, like, share this video. And take care, guys. See you in the next video.